Hyundai is currently in a great situation in America. They recently celebrated 20 years of production at Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Alabama, HMMA, launched the Assembled in America Hyundai Ioniq 9 EV SUV from $59,000, are preparing for the arrival of the new Palisade and also rocked a sales record in April. The record-breaking figure for April 2025 is 81,503 units, a tremendous 19% increase compared to the same month last year, while total year-to-date sales have also jumped 12% to 285,000 units, a strong rise of 12%. This was their best April ever and comes after the 7th consecutive month of best-ever total sales. The most popular models were the Elantra, plus 26% during the first 4 months, Santa Fe, plus 22%, Sonata, plus 18%, or the Tucson, plus 26%. The compact crossover SUV is also the best-selling nameplate in the lineup, as per tradition, with 77,000 units versus 61,000 deliveries last year. Naturally, it helps that the NX4 4th generation has gone through a mid-cycle refresh for the 2025 model year. Alas, the changes are so minute that only die-hard fans will notice the updated front fascia, new HVAC switchgear, or the steering-mounted gear selector and revamped center console. As such, it's no wonder how come some folks would love to see a more pronounced facelift on the Tucson before the advent of the NX5 5th generation, sometime around the 2028 or 2029 model year. No worries, the rumor mill and the members of the imaginative guild of digital car content creators dwelling across the parallel universes of vehicular CGI have thought about that in advance, courtesy of the good folks over at the Car Museum channel on YouTube, which has a satellite venue dubbed Autoya Interior, which is where all the CGI Hyundai action is happening right now. The channel's host muses that Hyundai could bring to life a second mid-cycle refresh for the 2026 or 2027 model year with bigger aesthetic changes on the outside, including a new full-width LED DRL strip with separate headlight clusters. There's also a completely new front bumper, and most importantly, Hyundai could give up the signature LED DRLs embedded in the grille in favor of a more traditional radiator grille styling. Inside, there are fewer and subtle changes, but the resident pixel master doesn't forget to treat the cabin to the same big roster of CGI colors. Meanwhile, the powertrain options would probably remain the same: gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid variants. Naturally, the best-selling Hyundai Tucson has major competitors across the US automotive market, including its newly refreshed 2026 Kia Sportage sibling, as well as the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, which is coming out as a 6th generation with only electrified powertrains, 226 and 236 horsepower front-wheel drive or AWD hybrid, plus the new almighty 320 horsepower AWD plug-in hybrid version, and now also has a dynamic GR Sport model plus a ruggedly adventurous woodland variant.